So about 5 months ago, I, Andy Pham, and my business partner Louis Band, we co-founded BusinessGrower.com, and since then, we've been spending about 12 hours per day grinding, trying to figure out exactly how to grow businesses and how to do it specifically for training communities on Discord/WAP, right? And we've actually been in the Discord membership business for years because we were Valorant coaches. So we sold our own memberships to our one-on-ones and group classes, etc. But in this small time frame that we've been doing trading communities, we've already managed to get some pretty insane results, right? So a couple of our clients we took from 43,000 per month MRR to 76,000 just 2 months, and another one 3K to 12K in 3 months per month, right? And we have more, but I didn't want to put them all on this page. So from what we learned, this video is going to teach you exactly the type of content you should be making to get you like actual loyal paying customers who want to give you money, right? Like the people who trust you, the people who go to you for advice. And having social media content in general is super important because it shows that your business is active, but also it not only generates you leads, but it also nurtures your leads. So it nurtures your prospects, right? Think of your content, or at least your long form content, like a leverageable sales call that anybody can watch at any time, right? So you don't have to sit there on one-on-ones like for an hour selling to one person, one person, one person. You can sell one to many with just one video, all right? No matter whether you sell something low ticket, so maybe 50, $100 per month, or high ticket, like 10,000 per month, right? Valuable content is always going to be important to build trust with the person who you're trying to sell to. So right now on the internet, we're actually in a massive trust recession. Everybody's a skeptic, right? So a few years ago, you may have been able to just run an ad on like whatever, make millions per month. But now most people like they give away trust very slowly, right? So nowadays you really have to prove that you can truly help them before they'll even give you a chance. So that's why I'm about to teach you the difference between the content that drives revenue and the content that doesn't, so that you can actually succeed in this day and age. So the trending form of content right now is short form. So let's go through that first, right? What I see, the biggest mistake I see on TikToks, especially for trading communities, is they'll do this type of, it's almost like memes, right? Like the Discord hyping me up to take another brainless $10,000 full port. That's not nurturing anyone. That's not educating anyone. There's a Wolf of Wall Street clip under it, right? A lot of the times you'll see this with lifestyle content. Like you'll see this nice dude with a six-pack on a yacht with his phone with MetaTrader 5. He'll show you like his gold trades and be like, oh, made 82K on gold, right? But there's no education. It's just entertainment. There's no reason for anyone to look any deeper into that because they're not getting any value from it. There's no reason for someone to actually convert into a paying customer from that kind of content. Remember, you're on short form, you're competing with like comedians and what, like Mr. Beast, right? So they're just going to scroll to the next scene of brain rot if you're just giving them dopamine and nothing else. So good content that'll actually drive revenue and lead someone to not only follow you, but also eventually convert into your paid product will be the educational type shorts, right? So this short, it did all right. It got like 260,000 on Instagram, a few tens of thousands on the other platforms, but it actually educates the viewer on a topic, right? So this specific video is just explaining some type of candle that breaks a lot of PD arrays, and therefore it's teaching you kind of how to trade it, right? When someone watches these type of videos, they tend to get recommended the same type of stuff, right? So some people have a strategy to where they'll post this kind of like shit post, and then the idea is that they'll get a follow, or the algorithm will recommend like another video that they actually like want to nurture someone in and maybe like pitch them on something, right? If they are watching videos like this, they're going to get more videos like this. It's not going to switch format unless they're like full following you and actually like deep diving into your stuff, in which case they probably won't be interested, right? If someone watches vlog content, they probably want more vlog content. If they watch trading education content, they want more trading education content. It's hard to cross over. And with a video like this, you actually prove that you can help them because you're providing value right then and there. You're teaching them something, at least, right? So it shows that you might actually know what you're talking about. It's kind of a downside to short form since you only have a minute to talk to them, but that's what long form is for. It's also kind of the same thing for long form. So another like massive mistake I see in these smaller trading communities is that most of their long form is almost like an ad, right? It's almost just kind of like selling their signals or showing off the results instead of actually giving away value and showing something unique to actually nurture a potential customer. Like this video right here, where it's just like, oh, we took 32 trades and we only lost 4. This is just kind of like walking to a bar and saying like, oh my God, look how great I am. Who wants to marry me? Well, this video right here, it's actually teaching, oh, what up, it's Louis. It's actually teaching someone his exact strategy, the one he uses to make profits live in front of hundreds of people. It's teaching that exact strategy. So this video literally just aims to provide value, right? I don't think he even sells anything in it. It's just there to teach someone the strategy. This is going to bring in the people who want more of the educational type content, attract the people who will eventually convert into the paid product so that they can learn more faster, right? So compared to this short, it's like walking into a bar and giving away a Lamborghini, right? Like just something insane, something that will blow them away. Like, wow, he gave away his entire strategy for free. They'll be begging you for more, knowing that you're legit and can help them. Additionally, it's also that they're kind of hooked on your strategy, right? So who better to learn it from than you yourself? But what we're saying with all this content quality stuff, what's more important is that you actually just get content out in general. But if you want it to truly drive revenue, you want it to be the stuff that nurtures, right? You don't want to be posting like memes, because if you look at an Instagram page and the reels are just full of like almost shit posts or just kind of posts that don't really give away any value, that's not someone you want to learn from compared to a page full of these, right? Just teaching you, just keeps on giving value, teaches you exactly what you, like little nuggets almost to where you could become a good trader, right? And then long form, it's almost the same thing. You don't want to have these kind of videos, you want to have these, because then people will actually subscribe. They'll eventually become loyal to you as they watch more of your videos, because it really is just like a sales call, except you can send it to anyone at any time and they can watch it in their free time, right? Like it's a sales call while you're sleeping. How much better can you get than that? But if you want more stuff like this, like if you want some free stuff to where you can grow your Discord, start your own community, whatever, then we actually have a free 6-step course. Alright, I got it pulled up, but it's just going to be a free breakdown of the 6-step process that we use to get these kind of results, this 43K to 76K in 2 months, 3K to 12K in 3 months, and short form and long form is a good part of it. So this video, what you just learned in this video, will help you with that system as well. If you basically ignore everything I just taught you, as well as the 6-step free WAP Discord growth process, right? If you ignore all of that and just took one thing out of this video, which you should, otherwise you just wasted 10 minutes, it would be just to get content out. Just get content out about whatever you sell and then actually have it provide value. That's the only thing you need to do, and you'll probably make some money, right? If you implement everything, you'll make a lot of money, but with just this one thing, you'll make at least some.